we sell the buyer in the greeting? What can we sell them?
Yes, sir.
Ourselves.
Good. What else?
The dealership.
The dealership. Excellent. What else? What can we sell these people? What can we sell them?
Excitement.
Excitement. Good.
Professionalism.
All right. Let me just play with somebody. Welcome to Schumacher. Thanks for coming in. I'm glad you're here. What's your name, sir?
Leo.
Leo. Welcome. Is it your first time here?
Yes.
Awesome. What vehicle did you come to look at? What did you come to see?
Chevy Tahoe.
Chevy Tahoe. You came to the right place. We got the best selection of Tahoes you're going to find anywhere. Are you looking for a new one or certified or?
Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. Well, we got the best selection of Tahoes. You haven't talked to anybody on the internet or phone or anything?
Not yet.
Oh, cool, great. I'm happy I get to give you all the information today. Before you go home, I'll let you know what we have here. I'll let you know what's coming in. I'll get you estimates on prices, payments in writing, so you have everything you need to make a well-informed decision. How's that sound?
Awesome.
What are you driving now?
Malibu.
A Malibu.
10.
Malibu, boo, boo, rocking everywhere. I like it. 2010, is it here?
Yes.
How long have you had that car?
5 years. I bought it pretty long.
Awesome, excellent. Well, we're looking to buy cars right now. And as crazy as this seems, what we usually do with everybody is if I could walk out to your car, grab the VIN, grab the miles, get some basic information, by the time we're done test driving the Tahoe, we could have numbers on your Malibu. It'll probably save us 20 or 30 minutes. And even though your Malibu's a 2010, I'd love to get inside your Malibu, show me what features you like, what you don't like, to make sure we get everything on the Tahoe. Mind if we start with your Malibu?
Yes.
Oh, nice. And then I go with the car. What did I just tell them I was going to do?
Everything. Process.
Everything. Oh, beautiful. Write that down, please. Sell the process. We're just selling people the process. I'm literally walking up to you and I'm going like this. Hey, I'm going to write you up today. So we're just selling people the process. It's all about the write-up. If I could outright you, I could out what? Sell you. Whoever gets the most write-ups gets the most what? Car deals. Now, don't write somebody up unless they're committed to buy a car today. How do you tell if they're committed to buy a car today? Oh, because they're here. So let's just treat everybody like they're what? Committed to buy a car. Let's treat everybody like they're committed to buy a car. So we want to treat everybody like they're committed, sell the write-up in the greeting. Whoever gets the most write-ups gets the most what? It's just it's just a numbers game. If I show numbers to 10 people or if I show numbers to 5 people, which way am I going to get more car deals? I'd rather have 10 people that went like this. I'm not going to buy a car today no matter what you do. Yeah, and then get to show those people numbers, then, hey, who's here who wants to sell a car today, right?